Welcome everybody to Algebra 1 CST release question number 23. It says John's solution to an equation is shown below. So we're given this. Looks like he factored it out, so it's time to start some factoring here with these questions. First time we've seen that in any of these CST questions. Step 2, looks like he's splitting up the factors and setting each one equal to 0 to solve. Step 3, and it looks like he's solved for x in both of those separate equations. So I didn't see any problems there as I went through those. Just at a first glance, it says which property of real numbers did John use for step 2? And so right here is step 2. So it looks like we're not being asked to factor this out, but if we had to factor this out ourselves, this is a helpful little thing for a lot of people to use. They'll put the number up here that comes in as the kind of the c value. Remember, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That's our standard form for a quadratic equation like this. But the c part would go up here, and then the b part, the middle coefficient, going right there. What two values multiply to this number and add to this number? 2 and 3 do that for you. That's where these 2 and 3 numbers come from in this step right here. We didn't really need to do that to solve this one, but good to start talking about that here and why that works. But then from here to here, looks like they've set each factor equal to 0. And so which one is that? Is that multiplication property? No. Is that the zero product property? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. Not commutative or distributive. I've taken each one of these and I said, well, if this part equals 0, x plus 2, if that part was 0 altogether, 0 times, it wouldn't matter what this is, 0 times anything would still be 0. That would make this a true equation if this part was 0. Likewise, you could say that this factor, the x plus 3, could equal 0. If you set that equal to 0 like they've done here, 0 times, doesn't matter what this is still going to give you 0. So this is the zero product property of multiplication. Number 23, choice B.